The Israel Electric Corporation is a national corporation that is responsible for generation, transmission and distribution of electrical power in Israel. It designs and constructs all its power stations and facilities. It has its own R&D division, and unlike other companies, it makes its own system planning. ActionBase serves as an excellent application for mapping and keeping track of the missions taken in meetings and discussions, and provides the workers with an updated report. These reports are used by all decision makers and provides them with a clear picture of all project progress. ActionBase creates fundamental culture change in which staff is personally committed to performing tasks.